Where are you going? Where are you going with that? You bring it back. Ah! No. No. Okay. Hey! Where are you going with that? Great. Ah! No. Out of your mouth.
Give it back to Daddy.
He's like, get it back on the table. Get it back on the table as fast as I can. Ah! You got it. Where are you going with that? Don't give me that back. No. Don't give it back. Give it to Daddy. Where are you going with it? Hey. Just take it off.